Hi, I'm Eric Blumthal with LocknCharge. What we've done is automated the manual process into a self-service kiosk where a process that could take 5 to 30 minutes and involve up to 4 people now is a student going to a self-service kiosk and accessing their loaners on demand. Here's a situation where my iPad is broken. All I have to do is walk over to the self-service kiosk. I'm going to select repair, drop off a repair, enter my device ID, click next. It's going to ask me for a quick diagnostic of what's wrong. I'm going to say it's a broken screen. And it's going to open up a bay. I put my broken device in here. An alert is going to be sent directly to IT to let them know that there's a broken device. It's also going to make that bay inaccessible until IT can come retrieve and fix the device. So that's a quick example of the self-serve kiosk. There's a lot of configuration and options that we can explore for you. If you're interested, go to LocknCharge.com and set up a consultation with us.